My name is John Fixari. This is my third time at SI. This is my third time here just because I want to continue to take it to the next level, continue to challenge myself and do things that I haven't done before, learn how to do more advanced cases and take that home to better serve patients in my hometown. So today I did a couple more complex cases. The first case we did was it was placing 4 implants for an overdenture or hybrid. We did a freehand Nobel technique, which normally we would do guided, but this was one of those cases where we didn't have that at our disposal, but it still needed done, and it was awesome. Definitely something that a huge challenge for myself. And then this afternoon we did full mouth extractions, placed 6 implants, but we also did a crestal sinus lift, something that I've again never done before, but was guided every step of the way. And it's really cool to see kind of before and afters. That way you know that you did what you came here to do. This weekend I've placed, I think, 18 implants, and I got 3 more to do this afternoon, so I'm not done yet. I keep coming back because each phase that I come back for, it's a new challenge and something that I've never seen before, something that I have not been able to do myself before, and so I keep coming back just to take the next level. So each time I'm back here and each time that I get challenged more, I'm a lot better at picking out cases and knowing, okay, what are my limitations? What is something that I know that I can do? What is something that I may still need help to do? And each time I'm here, my judgment is a whole lot better because I can look at something that I can say, okay, maybe this is something I need some help with. But I can also look at something that 2 years ago I'd go, absolutely no way in hell. But now I look at it in full confidence to get it done. Core & Plus is definitely a course that I would recommend for anyone that's wanting to do more. It's not for the faint of heart. It's purely for dentists that have the drive and energy to do the next challenge.